What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Breakfast Buddy. Today we're rolling up our sleeves and rolling out breakfast burritos. Not just any burritos, but high-protein powerhouses that'll make your biceps flex just looking at them. Ready to turn breakfast into your secret weapon? Ready to get rolling? Let's wrap up this breakfast fiesta. 2 burritos, 2 incredible ways to start your day. For our first contender in the burrito battle, we've got a beefy masterpiece, the Beefy Breakfast Powerhouse, clocking in at a whopping 52 grams of protein. And meet the spicy Southwest Veggie Boost, a veggie delight that's so good you won't even miss the meat sweats. Bringing a strong 39 grams of plant-powered protein to the table, these recipes are so easy a toddler could make them, with a little help from a responsible adult, of course. We don't want any kitchen fires today. Which one will we make first? Let's do the Mr. Beefy Beast first. So grab your aprons, your spatulas, and your appetite, because things are about to get delicious. For the Beefy Breakfast Powerhouse, you'll need ground beef. We're using good old ground beef, but feel free to get fancy with some steak or chorizo if you're feeling adventures. Don't be afraid to experiment. So we'll start by browning the beef in a hot pan. Make sure it's cooked to perfection, nice and brown on the outside, juicy and tender on the inside. The key is to look in all those juices while getting a beautiful sear on the meat. Now a little seasoning, salt, pepper, cumin, paprika, cayenne powder, onion and garlic powder. Okay, while the beef is cooking, we can get on with the scrambled eggs. Now, I like my eggs fluffy and light. Whisk the eggs with a splash of milk or cream until they're nice and frothy. Here's a pro tip from yours truly. Add a dollop of butter to the pan when you're cooking the eggs. Trust me, it makes all the difference. A little salt and pepper is all they need. Let's not overpower their natural eggy goodness. Don't even think about overcooking those eggs. We want them soft, creamy, and bursting with flavor. Black beans, cheese, and some green goodness. I'm going with spinach. Alright, now for the foundation of our burrito masterpiece, the tortilla. We're going big today, folks. None of those tiny, wimpy tortillas. We need something that can handle all this deliciousness. I'm talking about those giant burrito-sized tortillas, the ones that are practically begging to be filled with amazingness. You can find them at most grocery stores, usually in the bakery section. And hey, if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even make your own. I have a video made on making tortillas. Okay, now we've got a burrito to build. So grab yourself some tortillas and get ready to assemble this beast of a breakfast. First, lay down a generous helping of that perfectly seasoned beef. Make sure it's spread evenly across the tortilla. Next, pile on those fluffy scrambled eggs. Then add your greens, in my case some spinach, and then the cheese. I'm a sucker for some melty cheddar, but feel free to use your favorite. And of course, we can't forget the salsa. Whether you like mild, medium, or hot enough to melt your face off, a generous dollop of salsa is a must-have for any self-respecting breakfast burrito. Roll it tight like your future depends on it, because honestly, it might. Now, how to fold it, you might ask? It's actually easier than you think. First, fold the sides of the tortilla over the filling, like you're tucking a baby into a burrito blanket. Then grab the edge closest to you and pull it up and over the filling, using your thumbs to keep everything contained. Once you've got a good grip, continue rolling the burrito away from you, tucking in any loose ends as you go. Alright, now let's spice things up with the spicy Southwest Veggie Boost. And for this burrito, you can grab some scrambled tofu for the veggies. We're talking bell pepper, onions, mushrooms, spinach, kale, zucchini. The possibilities are endless. Today I'm using bell peppers and onions. Black beans. You can totally use canned black beans. No one's judging. Just make sure to drain and rinse them well before tossing them into a pan with olive oil, cumin, chili powder, a pinch of salt and pepper. Vegan cheese or any cheese you desire. Tortilla wrap. Whole wheat or the normal ones are fine. Start by sautéing your bell peppers and onions until they're soft and slightly caramelized. Add your scrambled tofu to the mix and throw in some spices. Cumin, paprika, garlic powder, maybe a pinch of chili flakes for a kick. Pro tip, don't skimp on the spices. A bland burrito is a sad burrito. This burrito is going to be anything but boring. Let's start layering up the burrito. Black beans, bell pepper, onions, scrambled tofu, cheese. And if you're up for it, a generous helping of some creamy, perfectly ripe avocado. Wrap it all up in your tortilla and voila! 39 grams of protein-powered plant-based perfection. Alright, now that we've got all those fresh, flavorful veggies piled high, let's add a little kick to our burrito with some fiery fiesta flavors. I'm talking about jalapenos hot sauce salsa, anything that'll set your taste buds ablaze. Of course, you can adjust the spice level to your liking. If you're a heat seeker, go wild with the jalapenos and habanero hot sauce. But if you prefer things a little milder, a sprinkle of chili flakes or a dollop of mild salsa will do the trick. Just remember, a little heat goes a long way. You want to enhance the flavors of your burrito, not set your mouth on fire. Unless that's your thing, then by all means go for it. And there you have it, a veggie burrito that's so packed with flavor and protein, you won't even miss the meat. This burrito is a celebration of all things fresh, healthy, and delicious. It's the perfect way to start your day with a burst of energy and a whole lot of goodness. So ditch those sugary cereals and greasy breakfast sandwiches and treat yourself to a veggie burrito that'll make you feel good from the inside out. Alright guys, we did it! We conquered not one but two epic high-protein breakfast burritos. Now before you go running off to devour your own delicious creations, don't forget to show some love. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this channel going. Like this video, subscribe to my channel for more awesome recipes and smash that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on what's coming next. Until then, stay hungry, my friends. Keep exploring new flavors, trying new recipes, and most importantly, enjoying every bite. See you next time.